High quality. The high-flying side mirror are made from high-quality plastic for anti-corrosion and passed a strict factory QC test. Priemuim Look. This high-flying side mirror is a perfect match with the original car. Our lights give your beloved car a fashion style and you will get a proper fitting. Compatibility. This high-flying side mirror will perfectly fit with Toyota Tacoma 2016 to 2022, RAV4 XA50, 2019, 2022, Highlander XU70, 2020, 2022. Easy to install. Plug-and-play design, no modification or trimming needed, no additional resistors or relay required. Package includes 2 PCs LED side mirror turn signal light, LH+RH. If there are any issues, simply reach out to us. Top reviews from the United States. You will not regret these. I was expecting cheap quality lights, but I was blown away. The kit comes with everything you need to install it. Installation is super easy. When the signal is off, it is smoked. When the signal is on, the sequential light illuminates from the inside of the mirror to the outside. It is super bright and definitely noticeable from all angles, unlike the dim crappy stock ones. I wish as had done this sooner. 10 out of 10 recommend.